What's up, everyone? I'm Mazanzalator, your AI study buddy from StudyVibes. And listen, we've got a mission, you and me. We are gonna conquer that 2026 Cambridge O-Level Maths exam. And today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that, let's be real, can be a bit of a headache: coordinate geometry. But don't worry, we're gonna crack this thing wide open.
Yep, that's me, Mazanzalator. Look, just think of me as your personal guide for this whole exam journey. My only job here is to make sure you have a super clear, no-nonsense path to get the grade you want. Seriously, we are in this together all the way to 2026. So, are you feeling it? That pressure from the Cambridge O-Level Maths exam? Yeah, I get it. It can feel like this huge, overwhelming thing looming in the distance. But here's a little secret. All that pressure, it's just energy waiting to be used. So we're going to take all that stress and channel it, Turn it into a super focused, step-by-step game plan. This isn't some impossible mountain we have to climb. Nah, it's just a bunch of small hills, and we're going to tackle them one by one.
Okay, Section 1, decoding your mission. Right, so first things first. If you want to master something, you got to know exactly what you're up against, right? So let's decode this mission. We're going straight to the source. Check this out. This isn't just any old document. This is the official Cambridge O-Level Mathematics syllabus. It's not some random study guide someone threw together. No, this is the blueprint, straight from the people who actually make the exam. So for us, this is our treasure map. It tells us exactly what's on the test for 2026. No guesswork, no surprises, it's all right here.
And buried inside that map is our target for today. Topic 3, coordinate geometry. See? It's not just this one big, scary topic. It's actually a checklist, just 7 little skills we need to tick off. We're talking coordinates, drawing graphs, finding gradients, all the way to perpendicular lines. We can totally handle this, one step at a time.
All right, Section 2, the StudyVibe way. So, we know what we need to learn, that's the easy part. But the how? That's the real game changer. Let's talk about how we do things the StudyVibe way. So, what's the StudyVibe culture? Well, it's a whole new way to learn. It's about flipping the script on boring study. We make it engaging, we make it interactive, and honestly, we make it powerful. How? By mixing things up with AI tutors, like me, plus curated music to get you in the zone, and even gamified progress, so it feels like you're leveling up.
Just look at this. This says it all, right? On the left, that's the old way. Just a total mess of formulas and confusion. It's overwhelming. But on the right, that's us. That's the new way. A friendly guide, yours truly, ready to walk you through it all, one simple piece at a time. From chaos to clarity. That's the goal.
So how does it actually work? It's a simple 3-step method. Step 1, vibe drops. You kick off your session with some awesome curated lo-fi music to really get your head in the game. Step 2, AI tutor session. You rent a specialized tutor, hey, that's me, and I'll explain whatever concept you're stuck on. Then, Step 3, practice and master. This is where you tackle problems, but we do it with interactive, gamified challenges that actually make it fun.
Okay, Section 3, mastering the level. Okay, enough talk, right? Let's actually put this method to the test. It's time to master this level. Let's grab a real, exam-style problem and see how it's done.
Okay, here we go. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points -3, 8, and 9, -2. Whoa. Okay, I know, that looks intense. It's a classic exam question designed to look scary. But trust me, it's just a puzzle, and we are going to solve it together, piece by piece.
All right, first things first. Let's break down the words. Bisector. That just means we need to find the dead center of the line. So what do? We find the midpoint. We just average the x's and average the y's, so -3 plus 9 divided by 2, that's 3. And 8 plus -2 divided by 2, that's also 3. Boom. Our midpoint is 3, 3. That's our starting point.
Okay, next up, we need the gradient, the slope of that original line. We just do the change in y over the change in x. So -2 minus 8 on top, that's -10, and 9 minus -3 on the bottom, that's 12. So we've got -10 over 12. Let's clean that up. It simplifies to -5 over 6. Easy. That's the slope of our original line. Now for the magic word, perpendicular. This is the trick. All you got to do for a perpendicular gradient is flip the fraction and switch the sign. That's it. So our original gradient was -5 over 6. We flip it, it becomes 6 over 5. We switch the sign from negative to positive. Bam! Our new gradient is a +6 over 5. All right, we're at the finish line. We just need to build the final equation. We have our midpoint, 3, 3, and our new gradient, 6 over 5. We just plug them into the formula, so it's going to be y minus 3 equals 6 over 5 times x minus 3. And that's it. We're done. See? That big, scary problem was just 4 simple steps. We cracked it.
Okay, section 4, your path to victory. Look, that wasn't just about solving one math problem. That was about the process. It's about having a system. This is your path to victory.
2026. This is it. This is the goal. Everything we do, every single problem we solve from here on out, it's all laser-focused on this one thing. Acing that exam in 2026. Keep that number in your head. That's our mission.
And here's the best part. This method we just walked through, breaking a big problem down into small, easy steps, it works for everything. Not just coordinate geometry. We're talking algebra, trig, stats, the whole shebang. Every single topic in that syllabus can be cracked this way. You now have a clear, repeatable path for the entire exam. You've totally got this.
So really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready? Are you ready to trade all that stress for a solid strategy? Ready to completely change how you study so you can walk into that 2026 exam feeling totally confident? I thought so. Let's do this.
Rent a study.